What is a HESS major? So HESS stands for Health, Exercise, Sports Studies, and it's kind of like our liberal arts approach to the health, wellness, and like healthcare system. It's a very malleable major depending on what you want to do with it. So I know some people who focus more on the sports studies side of it.
Yeah.
So they're going into like coaching, team management, sport analysis, sport history, things like that. Whereas I tend to lean more towards the health and exercise part of it. So I like taking classes on like kinesiology or orthopedic injury and illness assessment or therapeutic modalities. So like how do you interact with patients? What are like tests that you can do for rehabilitation, things like that. So again, very malleable depending on what you want to do in that field. But there's also a lot of really cool hands-on practicum and internship work you can do. So maybe you're working in the medical suite and the Mitchell Athletic Center, or maybe you are helping professors in the lab doing research and doing dissections with them.
Yeah.
So there are truly a ton of different ways to get involved in the HESS department, and it's very broad depending on what you want to narrow it down to.
Yeah. When did you know you wanted to be a HESS major? Because I know you didn't even know that major existed before even going to college.
I had flirted with the idea first year. The class that really sold me was community and personal health, talking about the different health conditions that people have, but also like seeing health not just as like a physical and mental thing, but as also like the obstacles that someone needs to overcome, not having resources or like stigma, not having social support. So kind of like getting to see that HESS was very personal and like community based really did it for me.
Kind of like in changing your perspective, kind of grabbed your attention. That's really cool.
I have Soul Fuel left. That was my impression of Gru, my Steve Carell impression.